Are you ready to take your DIY projects and professional jobs to the next level? Today, we're counting down 10 genius cordless power tools on Amazon that combine portability, power, and innovation. Let's dive right in.
Number 1. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel half-inch hammer drill driver is one of those tools that feels like it was designed with real job sites in mind. It's compact, just under 7 inches long, so it fits into tight corners and overhead spaces where bigger drills are awkward. But don't let the size fool you. It delivers serious torque and speed, enough to handle heavy-duty tasks like boring large holes through engineered lumber. One feature that really stands out is the auto-stop control. If the bit binds, the drill won't twist violently in your hands, which adds a layer of safety without slowing you down. The brushless motor and smart electronics also keep it running cool and consistent, even under load. Using it feels less like fighting with a tool and more like working with a reliable partner. It's powerful, safe, and surprisingly easy to handle for something this strong. Number 2. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR impact driver is one of those tools that feels powerful, but still easy to control. It's compact, yet the brushless motor delivers over 1,800 inch-pounds of torque and up to 3,400 RPM. That means it can handle big screws and tough fastening jobs without slowing down. What makes it stand out is the 3-speed setting and variable trigger. You can go slow and precise when you need accuracy, or switch to full speed for heavy-duty work. The built-in LED lights are a smart touch too. They brighten up dark corners and make it easier to see what you're doing when the lighting isn't great. Even small details like the belt hook make a difference when you're moving around a job site. Overall, it feels like a reliable tool that combines strength, control, and convenience in a way that makes everyday work smoother.
Number 3. The Makita brushless rear handle circular saw brings the freedom of cordless power to jobs that usually demand a corded tool. Running on two 18-volt LXT batteries, it delivers the strength and speed needed for heavy-duty cutting. The brushless motor is smart enough to adjust torque and RPM to match the material, giving you efficient performance every time. With up to 5,100 RPM, it slices through sheet goods and dimensional lumber with ease. One of its biggest advantages is capacity. It cuts 3 times lumber in a single pass, and the electric brake helps you work faster and safer. Despite all that power, it's surprisingly lightweight at just over 12 pounds, thanks to durable magnesium and aluminum construction. The rear handle design improves visibility and control, especially for framing and carpentry. And because it's part of Makita's 18-volt system, you can use the same batteries across dozens of tools, keeping your workflow simple and efficient. Number 4. Introducing the Metabo HPT 18-volt multi-volt brushless compact cordless brad nailer kit. This tool is built for precision fastening without the hassle of cords or compressors. Powered by brushless motor technology, it delivers longer runtime, less maintenance, and dependable durability. It drives brad nails from 5/8 of an inch up to 2 inches, and it can fire up to 2 nails per second with no ramp-up time. That means you get consistent speed and efficiency across a wide range of applications. The air-spring drive system gives it the feel and performance of a pneumatic nailer, but with the freedom of cordless design. It's also compact, 30% smaller and 31% lighter than the previous model, making it easier to use in tight spaces. With toolless depth adjustment and a switch for sequential or bump fire modes, it offers versatility and control. Altogether, it's a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly solution for trim work, cabinetry, and finish carpentry. Number 5. The Bosch 12-volt Max 2-speed pocket driver is a lightweight powerhouse, weighing only 1.4 pounds. That makes it easy to carry and comfortable to use, even for longer projects. Despite its size, it delivers up to 265 inch-pounds of torque, giving it one of the best torque-to-size ratios in its class. It's especially useful for hard-to-reach screw-driving tasks, where a larger drill would be awkward. With 2 speed settings, low torque from 0 to 350 RPM, and high speed up to 1,300 RPM, you can match the tool to the job. The 20+1 clutch settings add precision so you don't overdrive screws or damage materials. And with a simple forward and reverse button, removing screws is just as easy as driving them in. Altogether, it's a compact, versatile driver that combines portability with reliable performance. Number 6. The Flex 24-volt brushless cordless rotary hammer is built for serious drilling and chiseling jobs, but it's compact and light enough for overhead work. With the Flex Advantage, you get 20% more power, 25% longer runtime thanks to advanced heat management, and up to 50% faster charging with the high-powered dual fan charger. At the heart of this tool is a sensor-free brushless motor, designed to eliminate friction and deliver maximum efficiency. It provides 1.3 foot-pounds of impact energy with constant speed control, so you get consistent performance even under load. The function switch gives you 4 modes: drilling, hammer drilling, chiseling, and chisel adjustment, making it versatile across different tasks. With a 5 amp-hour battery, it can drill up to 75 holes in industrial concrete on a single charge. And the built-in LED light keeps your work area visible, even in dark spaces. This is a compact powerhouse built for demanding applications. Number 7. The SKIL Compact Brushless Flip Drill Driver is designed to make switching between drilling and driving faster and easier. With its double collet flip head, you can change bits with just a twist, saving time on the job. The slim, compact design makes it perfect for corners, edges, and other tight spaces where larger drills won't fit. It also features electronically controlled torque settings with a clear display, so you can adjust power to match the task at hand. Magnetic onboard storage keeps bits and screws right where you need them, reducing interruptions while you work. The built-in LED work light, with both pre-light and afterglow, ensures maximum visibility in dim areas. This 20-volt kit includes the flip drill, a 2 amp-hour USB-C battery, charger, cable, belt clip, and multiple bits, giving you everything you need in one compact, versatile package. Number 8. The WorkPro 20-volt oscillating toolkit is built to handle a wide range of jobs with one compact tool. Its brushless motor delivers up to 19,000 oscillations per minute, making it powerful enough for cutting, trimming, grinding, and sanding. With 6 variable speed settings, you can match the tool's performance to the material and the task, whether it's delicate detail work or heavy-duty cutting. Changing blades is quick and simple thanks to the toolless design. Just flip the button, swap the accessory, and press to secure. No extra tools required. The universal interface also means it works with most accessory brands, giving you flexibility on the job. Comfort is built in too. The on-off switch is easy to reach, and the design helps reduce vibration while you work. A bright LED light illuminates dark surfaces, so you can cut with accuracy even in low light conditions. This kit includes 21 accessories, a rechargeable battery, and a carrying bag, making it a versatile solution for any project. Number 9. The SKIL Twist 2.0 rechargeable screwdriver is designed for convenience and versatility in everyday tasks. Its pivoting head locks into 3 positions: 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees, so you can work comfortably even in tight spaces. With 3 torque settings, you can adapt the power to match the job, whether it's delicate fastening or tougher screw driving. The forward and reverse trigger button is placed for easy one-finger use, making operation simple and intuitive. A built-in LED light brightens dark areas, giving you better visibility when working in low light. The integrated battery charges through a USB-C port, so it's quick and easy to keep powered up. This 4-volt cordless screwdriver kit includes the driver itself, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and a 28-piece bit set with a plastic case. Altogether, it's a compact, reliable tool that makes everyday fastening jobs smoother and more efficient. Number 10. The SEE SII 21-volt cordless angle grinder is built for versatility and power. Its brushless motor runs efficiently, with less noise and no need for carbon brush replacements, giving it a longer lifespan and more reliable performance. With 2 high-capacity 4 amp-hour batteries, you get the freedom to work anywhere without being tied to cords, whether it's cutting metal, grinding, polishing, or removing rust. This grinder offers 3 speed settings: 5,000, 7,500, and 10,000 RPM, so you can match the speed to the job. The two-position auxiliary handle adds comfort and control, and it can be mounted on either side, making it convenient for both left and right-handed users. The kit includes 3 different wheels: a cutting wheel for metal and PVC, a flap wheel for grinding and rust removal, and a wood carving wheel for sanding, shaping, and polishing. Altogether, it's a flexible cordless grinder that adapts to a wide range of tasks with ease.